That's the magic of mobile wallets. But with all that convenience comes questions. Like, how much can you really spend with your favorite app? Today, we're diving deep into GrabPay, the Southeast Asian payment giant, to answer, what are the limits for GrabPay? Whether you're a seasoned GrabPay user or just curious, this video will equip you with all the knowledge you need to maximize your cashless transactions. So, grab your phone, your favorite drink, and let's get started. Understanding the different GrabPay limits. First things first, GrabPay doesn't have a single, blanket limit. It actually depends on a few factors. Verification level. Just like levels in a game, GrabPay has verification levels. The higher your level, the higher your limits. There are three main levels: basic, verified, and premium. Transaction type. GrabPay lets you pay for rides, food deliveries, bills, and even send money. But guess what? The limits for each type of transaction can be different. Region. GrabPay operates across Southeast Asia, and regulations might differ slightly by country. We'll break down each factor and its corresponding limits, but here's a quick sneak peek. Basic verification. This is the starting point, offering lower limits for most transactions. Verified level. By providing some ID documents, you unlock higher limits for most transactions. Premium level. This top tier offers the highest spending power, but it might require additional verification steps depending on your region. Limits by verification level. Alright, let's get specific. Here's a general guideline for transaction limits based on verification level. Remember, these might vary slightly by region. Basic verification. Sending and receiving money, typically around $200 to $500 equivalent per month. In-app transactions, rides, food delivery, etc. expect limits around $100 to $200 per transaction. Bill payments, limits might vary depending on the biller, but generally lower than other transactions. Verified level, verifying your identity unlocks a significant increase in limits. Sending and receiving money, this could jump to $1,000 to $2,000 equivalent per month. In-app transactions, transaction limits could rise to $500 to $1,000 per transaction. Bill payments, limits might also increase depending on the biller. Premium level, this VIP level offers the highest limits, often exceeding $2,000 per transaction and $5,000 per month for sending and receiving money. Important note, these are just general guidelines. Always refer to the official GrabPay website or app for the most up-to-date information on limits specific to your region and verification level. Beyond limits, additional considerations. While limits are important, here are some other things to keep in mind when using GrabPay. Top-up limits. There might be restrictions on how much money you can add to your GrabPay wallet at once. Promotional limits. Some GrabPay promotions or discounts might have their own spending caps. Merchant limits. The store or service you're paying might have its own spending limit for GrabPay transactions. Maximizing your GrabPay experience. So, how can you make the most of GrabPay's features while staying within the limits? Here are some tips. Get verified. Upgrading your verification level is the key to unlocking higher limits. Plan your transactions. If you know you need to make a large payment, top up your GrabPay wallet beforehand. Combine payment methods. For transactions exceeding GrabPay limits, consider using a combination of GrabPay and another payment method. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the GrabPay app or website for promotions that might offer temporary increases in spending limits. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance content. Until next time, happy cashless spending.